Hello everyone, this is Agalya from Department of Food Service Management and Dietetics, Kaveri College for Women, Autonomous Trichy. In this session, we shall discuss about the classification of proteins. Like carbohydrates and fats, proteins are essential to us in incredible variety of different ways. Muscle, ligament, cartilage, skin, hair are mainly protein material. About 50% of protein present in muscles, 20% present in bones, 10% present in skin, and the rest of protein present in other parts of the body. It is needed for growth, maintenance and repair of body tissues. It regulates key processes within the body, and excess of protein used as source of energy.
Let us discuss about the classification of proteins. Proteins can be classified based on shape and size, functional properties, solubility and physical properties. According to shape and size, proteins can be classified into fibrous proteins and globular proteins. Fibrous proteins, for example, keratin in hair, actin and myosin in muscles. Globular proteins, for example, enzymes and antibodies. Based on functional properties, immunoproteins, C-reactive proteins, opsonin and immunoglobulin. Contractile, respiratory, structural, enzymatic, hormonal and carrier proteins. Based on solubility and physical properties, proteins can be classified into simple proteins, conjugated proteins and derived proteins. Simple proteins. Simple proteins are those which are made of amino acid units only joined by peptide bond. Upon hydrolysis, they yield a mixture of amino acid and nothing else. Examples: albumins, egg albumin, serum albumin, lactalbumin. Globulins, tissue globulin, serum globulin. Gliadin, wheat gliadin, horridin. Albuminoids, keratin of hairs, skin, eggshell and bones, elastin, collagen of tendons, ligaments and bones. Histones, globin of hemoglobin, protamine, salmon, the spermatozoa of salmon fish. Next, coming to conjugated proteins. Conjugated proteins are composed of simple proteins combined with a non-proteinous substance. The non-proteinous substance is called prosthetic group or cofactor. Here we have chemoproteins, hemoglobin in which the prosthetic group is iron. Phosphoproteins, casein in milk in which prosthetic group is phosphoric acid, vitelline in egg yolk. Lipoproteins, HDL, LDL and VLDL, the prosthetic group is lipid. Glycoprotein, ovomucoid of egg white. Nucleoproteins, ribosomes and viruses. Metalloproteins, alcohol dehydrogenase, a zinc containing enzyme. Mucoproteins, follicle stimulating hormone, beta ovomucoid. Coming to the last classification of proteins based on solubility and physical properties, that is derived proteins. These are not naturally occurring proteins and are obtained from simple proteins by the action of enzymes and chemical agents, heat, mechanical shaking, UV or X-rays. Examples of derived proteins are primary, myosin, fibrin, secondary, peptones, peptides and proteoses. Thank you.